सी ह्या सरकाराक आमी केन्नाय प्रश्न घातलो काँग्रेस पक्षान जाल्यार रोखडोच उठतात आनी म्हणटा आमी क्रिटिसायज करता. पण आमचे ओपोजिशनाचें एक काम कितें, जेन्ना आमी पब्लीक इश्यू, पब्लीक हेल्थ, पब्लीक सेफ्टी ह्या इश्यूचेर पासून रेज केले क्रिटिसिजम. वॉट इज द मिनींग ऑफ दिस क्रिटिसिजम? दे डोंट वॉन्ट द ओपोजिशन टू स्पीक एट ऑल. तिका ओपोजिशनाचेर उलोवपाचेर आमकां कांयच अधिकार ना. दिस इज वॉट दे आर ट्रायंग टू टेल द पीपल. दिस इज वेर डेमोक्रेसी इज. Take their records, how they have been yelling against the Congress when the Congress was in government, and Congress allowed it for a healthy discussion so that people's lives that are in danger today, daylight robbery, daylight murder, हांव ह्या सरकार याद करून दिता, ह्या पक्षाक, बाब सदानंद तानाडेक, अध्यक्षाक, बाबा 2018, 2012 जेन्ना मर्डर जाली म्हापश्यां ज्वेलराचो, डेलायट आयज पर्यंत सापडोंक ना. कितें सांगूंक सोदता तुमी? 100 किलो केटामीन ड्रग, तुम्ही म्हणटा आमी ड्रगाचेर रेड घालता, ड्रगाचेर रेड घालता. देर आर टू साइड्स ऑफ इट. Everybody is congratulating the new DGP for having started these raids. Saying the government has also started. Fair enough, but when we are raising genuine questions by just getting some small people involved, when the real cartel, there is a direct charge against the minister. The minister at one time was on record to say that he had the list of everybody. Where is that list gone? When he was claiming to be the ruling and knowing that he had a list, there was a house committee appointed. Now that there is a Madgaon murder, top functionaries. Sadanand Tanade and Bob Satish goes to the site, calls the investigation officers, talking to them. What impression are you giving? लोकांचा समज किती जातालो की तुम्ही या इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन इंटरफेअर जातात. Already there is a hue and cry that this gundagiri that is going on and is increasing cannot happen without the support of politicians. And who is ruling today? The Bharatiya Janata Party. If they feel that they are fooling the people of Goa, let me tell them that the people of Goa are going to teach them a lesson for usurping power undemocratically and ruling the state. And therefore, it is not in a position to give proper, disciplined administration. It is my administration. It is my demand to the BJP to please see that, consider the criticism and the issues that have been raised by our party in the right spirit, so that it is in the interest of the people of Goa and the state of Goa.